U.S. president wasn't George Washington. Why is this still a debate? It was a black man. Yeah, let that sink in. His name was John Hanson, and he's on the $2 bill. In 1781, he was elected as the very first president under the Articles of Confederation. That's 8 years before George ever touched that powdered wig. Hanson, a black man from Maryland, held the official title, President of the United States in Congress Assembled. That wasn't a nickname, that was the real title of the nation's leader. But do you pay attention to his face on the money? Do you ever hear his name in school? Nope. They erased him. They gave all the glory to Washington, rewriting the story so you'd never know a black man stood at the top of America's government first. Ask yourself why hide it? Because the truth breaks the myth that power was only ever wiped from the beginning. At the very birth of the United States, a black man led. And that's the part of history they never wanted you to remember. Follow for more truth they tried to erase or confuse you about.